Hey everyone, in this video we'll uncover the most valuable Abraham Lincoln 1943 steel penny you should be on the lookout for. We'll break down what makes these Lincoln wheat pennies so special, how much they're worth in today's market, and what you need to know to sell them successfully at auction. So let's get started. First up, the 1943 Abraham Lincoln steel penny without a mint mark is one of the most fascinating and widely discussed coins in American history. At first glance, it does not even look like a typical penny. Instead of the familiar copper color, this coin appears silver or gray. That unusual appearance is exactly what makes it special. The story of this coin begins during World War II, when the United States needed copper for wartime production, such as ammunition, electrical wiring, and military equipment. To conserve copper, the U.S. Mint decided to produce pennies using zinc-coated steel for 1 year only, 1943. The 1943 steel penny without a mint mark was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. During that time, coins struck in Philadelphia did not carry a mint mark, while coins from Denver and San Francisco were marked with a D or an S. Because of this, a 1943 steel penny with no letter under the date indicates it was made in Philadelphia. Millions of these coins were struck that year, but condition plays a major role in determining their value today. Although over 600 million steel cents were minted in Philadelphia in 1943, many of them were heavily circulated. Steel is more prone to rust and surface damage compared to copper. Over time, exposure to moisture caused many of these coins to corrode, discolor, or develop spots. As a result, finding a well-preserved example in very fine condition or better is more challenging than the original mintage numbers might suggest. When we talk about a coin being in very fine condition, it means the coin has moderate wear but still retains clear and sharp details. On a 1943 Lincoln steel penny in very fine condition, Abraham Lincoln's hair details will still be visible, though slightly worn. The wheat stalks on the reverse side will show clear lines, and the lettering will remain bold and readable. The rim should be mostly complete and not excessively flattened. There may be light surface marks, but overall the coin should still have strong detail. In today's market, the value of a 1943 Abraham Lincoln steel penny without a mint mark in very fine condition generally ranges between $6 and $15 US. The exact price depends on factors such as eye appeal, presence of corrosion, and whether the coin has original zinc coating remaining. Coins with bright surfaces and minimal rust tend to command higher prices within that range. If the coin shows dark spots, pitting, or heavy discoloration, the value may be closer to the lower end. It is important to understand that while this coin is popular, it is not extremely rare in circulated grades. The real high-value 1943 pennies are the rare copper error versions, which were mistakenly struck on leftover bronze planchets. Those rare copper examples have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, the regular steel version, including the no mint mark Philadelphia issue, is much more affordable and accessible to collectors. One simple way to verify that your 1943 penny is steel is by using a magnet. A genuine steel cent will stick to a magnet, while a copper counterfeit will not. This quick test helps confirm authenticity before further evaluation. However, for a more precise assessment of grade and authenticity, professional grading services such as PCGS or NGC can provide certification. Certified coins often sell for slightly higher prices because buyers have confidence in their condition and authenticity. Next up, the 1943 Abraham Lincoln steel penny with D mint mark is another intriguing piece of American coinage that holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Like all 1943 cents, this coin was struck on zinc-coated steel instead of the usual bronze because copper was reserved for the war effort during World War II. The D mint mark, located just below the date on the obverse, indicates that this coin was produced at the Denver Mint, and while millions were made, today's market values depend heavily on the condition of the individual coin. Because steel is a softer metal than copper-based alloys, 1943 steel pennies are more prone to scratches, scuffs, and surface marks. Finding one in pristine condition is rare, which in some ways adds to their appeal. In your example, you mentioned some scratches. This is typical for a good-grade steel penny and will influence the market value. Scratches, oxidation, and light corrosion are common on these coins because steel reacts to moisture and handling over time. In some cases, these surface marks may be minor and only noticeable under close inspection, while in others they may be more significant and affect eye appeal. In the current collector market, a 1943D steel penny in good condition with scratches typically has a modest but steady value. Unlike uncirculated or higher-grade examples, which can command higher prices, coins in good grade are more common and therefore valued lower. Most dealers and auction records show that a 1943D steel penny in good condition usually sells for around 50 cents to $2.50 USD. The exact price can vary based on factors such as how severe the scratches are, the overall appearance of the coin, and whether the date and mint mark are still fully readable. It is important to understand that when collectors evaluate coins like the 1943D steel penny, they look not only at wear but also at overall eye appeal. Some coins in good condition with heavy scratches might still attract interest if the surfaces are relatively clean and free from corrosion. On the other hand, deep gouges, rust spots, or heavy staining can lower the value. Because steel is magnetic, a simple magnet test can confirm that you have a genuine 1943 steel penny and not a later reproduction or altered piece. If a 1943D steel penny shows unusually attractive surfaces, minimal corrosion, and only light, superficial scratches, it might fetch toward the higher end of the typical value range. Collectors often prefer coins that, despite wear, display a pleasing overall look. However, coins with heavy scratches, pitting, or dark rust spots are more likely to sell closer to the lower end of the value scale. In any case, values for good-grade examples remain affordable for most collectors, making the 1943D steel penny a popular entry point into U.S. coin collecting. For comparison, coins in very fine condition with sharp details and fewer surface marks can be worth several dollars more. In contrast, uncirculated or mint-state examples, especially those that are certified by third-party grading services like PCGS or NGC, can trade for $10 to $50 or more, depending on eye appeal and strike quality. But for the average circulated 1943D steel penny with scratches, the collectible value today is generally modest. Although the 1943D steel penny will not make collectors wealthy, it remains an important and interesting part of U.S. numismatic history. Its unique material reflects a time when the nation was fully committed to the war effort, and everyday objects like coins were redesigned to support that cause. This gives the coin both historical significance and a story that appeals to collectors of all levels. Next up, the 1934 Abraham Lincoln wheat penny without mint mark is a classic and highly collectible coin among U.S. copper cents. It was struck in Philadelphia, which did not use mint marks at that time. Made of bronze, the 1934 Lincoln wheat penny carries the iconic portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, and two wheat ears framing the words 1 cent on the reverse. This design remained in continuous production from 1909 through 1958 and remains one of the most beloved series in American coin collecting. When we talk about a coin being in extra fine condition, we are describing a coin that has seen light circulation but still retains a remarkable amount of detail. On a 1934 Lincoln wheat penny in extra fine grade, Lincoln's hair and facial features will be clear and well defined, and many of the fine lines in his coat will remain visible. The wheat stalks on the reverse will show strong detail with minimal wear. While the highest points of the coin may show slight smoothing, the overall strike will be sharp and pleasing to the eye. You mentioned that the coin has some scratches, which is not unusual for a circulated bronze penny, but these surface marks will influence the coin's eye appeal and therefore its market value. In today's collector market, the value of a 1934 Lincoln wheat penny without a mint mark in extra fine condition generally falls in the moderate price range. Because the Philadelphia 1934 penny was produced in relatively large numbers and many examples survive in collectible grades, it is not considered rare in extra fine condition. However, coins that retain attractive surfaces and strong details remain appealing to collectors. As of current market trends, a 1934 Philadelphia Lincoln wheat penny graded extra fine typically trades for around 5 to 15 US dollars, depending on the intensity of scratches, overall appearance, and buyer interest at the time of sale. The presence of scratches can lower the value slightly, especially if they interrupt key features of the design or detract significantly from the coin's appearance. Light, superficial scratches that do not interfere with major design elements may have only a minor impact on price. Deeper, more noticeable scratches, however, can reduce the market value toward the lower end of the typical range. Collectors often look for well-preserved examples with attractive color and minimal surface blemishes when deciding what they are willing to pay. It is also helpful to compare the coin to standard pricing guides and recent auction results, because market values can vary over time based on collector demand, the scarcity of specific grades, and broader trends in the coin market. In general, Lincoln wheat pennies from the 1930s that are solidly struck with good eye appeal are easier to sell within their value range, even if they show some wear and minor scratches. For someone who is not planning to have the coin professionally graded, it's still useful to assess the coin's condition carefully. Look at how much detail remains in Lincoln's hair and beard, how well the wheat stalks are defined, and whether the scratches are light hairlines or more serious gouges. All of these factors help determine where your coin falls within the extra fine category and how much appeal it has to collectors. Next up, the 1944 Abraham Lincoln wheat penny with an S mint mark was produced at the San Francisco Mint and is part of the long-running Lincoln Wheat Cent series that began in 1909 and continued through 1958. By 1944, World War II coinage had returned to using the traditional bronze composition after the steel cents of 1943. So the 1944 wheat penny is made of about 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, giving it the familiar reddish-brown look that collectors appreciate. When a coin is described as being in good condition, it means it shows noticeable wear from circulation. On a 1944 S Lincoln wheat penny in good grade, major details are visible but significantly worn. Lincoln's portrait on the obverse will be smooth in the high spots, and many fine details in his hair and coat might be flattened. On the reverse, the wheat stalks will usually be worn and may blend into the background, though the outer bands of the wheat heads are still discernible. You mentioned that the coin has some scratches, which is typical for circulated bronze pennies. Surface marks like scratches can affect eye appeal and slightly reduce collector value, but they are common on coins that have been in everyday use for many decades. In today's market, a 1944 S Lincoln wheat penny in good condition with some scratches is generally not considered rare, but it does still have collectible value. Most surviving examples in good grade are fairly common because millions of these cents were struck and many have been saved or found in pocket change over the years. As a result, prices tend to remain modest. Based on current collector value trends and coin price guides, a 1944 S Lincoln wheat penny graded good and showing typical wear with a few scratches typically sells for approximately 0.30 USD to 1.50 USD in today's market. Coins with heavier scratches or signs of oxidation might be valued toward the lower end of that range, while examples with cleaner surfaces and better eye appeal might fetch slightly more within the range. It's worth noting that Lincoln wheat pennies in higher grades, such as very fine, extremely fine, or uncirculated, can be worth more. For example, coins in extremely fine condition can often be worth several dollars, and uncirculated 1944 S cents certified by major grading services can trade higher still, depending on color and strike quality. However, in good condition with scratches, most collectors and dealers view the 1944 wheat penny as a common, affordable collectible. Surface condition plays a significant role in determining value, even at these lower grades. Light, superficial scratches that do not distract from the overall design or readability of the date and mint mark have a smaller impact on value. Deeper, more prominent scratches, or areas where the metal looks rough, pitted, or tarnished, can push the price down toward the minimum of the typical range. Many collectors who seek wheat pennies want pieces that, despite wear, still retain pleasing overall appearance and clear dates. The 1944 wheat penny is a great example of mid-20th century U.S. coinage and holds historical interest as part of the long Lincoln cent lineage. Although its value in good condition with scratches is modest, it remains a favorite collectible for beginners building into the series and for those who enjoy completing date and mint mark sets without high expense. Next up, the 1956 Abraham Lincoln wheat penny with D mint mark was struck at the Denver Mint and is part of the classic Lincoln wheat cent series that was produced from 1909 through 1958. By 1956, the penny was still made of the traditional bronze alloy of about 95% copper with tin and zinc, giving it the familiar warm reddish appearance that collectors value. In today's collector market, a 1956D Lincoln wheat penny in very fine condition with some scratches is generally not a rare or high-value coin, but it does hold steady, modest value because it remains a fully collectible piece from the wheat penny series. The 1956D was produced in very large numbers, and many well-preserved examples are still available, which keeps prices moderate. Based on current price guides, dealer listings, and recent sales trends, a 1956D Lincoln wheat penny in very fine condition with some scratches typically has a market value today of approximately 30 cents to $1.50 USD in today's market, with the exact amount depending on the severity of the surface marks and the general attractiveness of the coin. Collectors looking for wheat pennies often focus more on condition and eye appeal than rarity for common dates. In very fine grade, the design elements should still be full and pleasing to the eye, despite circulation wear. The presence of some scratches will slightly reduce overall value compared with a cleaner example of the same grade. Deep or distracting scratches that affect the central design areas or the readability of the date and mint mark may push the value toward the lower end of the typical range. Although most wheat pennies produced after the 1940s are common in circulated grades, they still remain highly popular with beginning collectors, those completing date and mint mark sets, and enthusiasts of U.S. copper coinage history. The 1956D Lincoln wheat penny is a solid, affordable example of mid-20th century coinage and continues to have consistent demand among hobbyists. If you are considering selling or trading your 1956D Lincoln wheat penny in very fine condition with some scratches, reviewing recent sales on auction sites, or consulting a reputable coin dealer can help confirm its current market value. Remember that condition and overall eye appeal play a significant role, even at modest price levels. In summary, a 1956 Abraham Lincoln wheat penny with a D mint mark in very fine condition with some scratches typically has a market value today of approximately 30 cents to $1.50 USD in today's market, with the exact amount depending on the severity of the surface marks and the general attractiveness of the coin.